Anycubic Kobra 3D printer with Anycubic ACE Pro enables printing in up to 4 colors. Creates stunning designs with endless possibilities that you can only imagine, giving you the freedom to create personalized designs. Intelligent design. Anycubic ACE Pro features a sealed storage design, integrates key features that include nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying and intelligent identification filament function, ensuring an efficient, convenient, successful printing experience. Sole limb. High-speed printing. Anycubic Kobra 3D printer features a high print speed of up to 600 mm per second, with 2000 mm per second squared acceleration, which is 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. Printing with Anycubic's high-speed filament delivers superior print results. Vibration compensation. Built with Accelerometer G-Sensors, Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo intelligently detects vibration frequencies and adjusts motion control, preventing ringing issues, ensuring smooth and high-quality prints. Powerful and easy. Easy to operate and assemble, Kobra 3 3D printer is great combo of power and convenience, with unparalleled features like pre-installed, auto-leveling, dynamic structure, and more. It lets you dive into the world of 3D printing with ease. Smart multicolor printing. Print in 4 to 8 colors. Dries while it prints in multicolor. Co-created with Pantone Color Institute. Print fast, seamlessly. Print expansive printing space. Print smooth and easy. Print all new. Anycubic Color Engine Pro. A new level of multicolor printing. Unleash creativity in 4 colors. Start printing in 4 colors and personalize your creations with ease. Print up to 8 stunning colors. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant colors and fully explore your creative ideas in multicolor. Intelligent Identification Filament. Filament colors are matched precisely for more efficient printing. Intelligent Printing. H1. Revolutionary performance. Strong filament. Minimizes filament tangling. The ACE Pro delivers filament individually through 4 tubes, shortened filament length during color changing or filament backup. And the ACE Pro supports auto-loading and unloading the filaments to eliminate messes or tangling. A built-in buffer detects nozzle clogs, pausing the print and alerting promptly to effectively protect the machine. Filament backup. The Anycubic Color Engine Pro makes full use of each filament spool, automatically transitions to the next spool of the same color and material, and effectively boosts printing efficiency. Filament drying at all times. The power of dual PTC heating system up to 200 watts efficiently circulates air and maintains a consistent temperature of up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping filaments dry at all times. Drying while printing. Print and dry simultaneously for up to 24 hours, ensuring the filament stays dry from the inside out for superior printing quality. Optimal storage. Filaments are maintained in optimal condition in the sealed case. Strong. Enter a world of vibrant colors. Enter a world of vibrant colors. Performance. Seamless, smooth, and speedy printing with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version. Printing at the pace of thought. At speeds of up to 600 mm per second, the Kobra 3 Combo AE version sets the standard for high-speed printing, thanks to its optimized configuration, bolstered computational, and superior cooling system, delivering exceptional efficiency with every print. Strong. 600 mm per second max print speed. Strong. 20,000 mm per second max acceleration. 11 minutes, 30 seconds. Benchy print. Recommended print speed. Expansive printing space. Maximize your printing possibilities and explore your creative ideas to the full with printing sizes up to 250 millimeters times 250 millimeters times 260 millimeters. The Kobra 3 Combo's maximum printing volume stands at 4.29 gallons, 16.25 liters, increased by a whopping 34% compared to previous 3D printers. Print smooth and easy always. Vibration compensation, equipped with built-in Accelerometer G-Sensor to detect vibration frequencies and intelligently adjusts motion control to prevent ringing issues. For exceptionally smooth and high-quality prints. P. Start, print, relax. H1. Strong, ready for all skill levels. Kobra 3 Combo's intuitively simple setup makes printing as easy as taking photos. P. Minimalism taken to the max. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version is designed for hassle-free printing with simplified setup and cable connections. Just start printing and relax. Unified Module System. Seal integration design of module system effectively protect the core components and eliminate filament residue, making it easier to clean and maintain. Install cables easily with just 2 port connections. Tailored comfort. The touchscreen design comes with a customizable tilt from 30 degrees to 60 degrees, allowing you to print comfortably in any position. Auto leveling, auto Z offset, Levy Q 3.0 auto leveling. Kobra 3 AE version automatically calibrates the bed level for each print job. No need to Z offset manually or stick a piece of paper as a reference. Quick swap nozzle. Tools free to swap the full metal nozzles. The nozzles are maintained at temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, 572 degrees Fahrenheit. To achieve optimal printing of different filaments, we offer various nozzles in different diameters. Detect, resume, all by itself. Automatically checks and reminds you about belt tension status. AI monitors the printing process, effectively reducing the frequency of spaghetti monsters and providing you with a reassuring printing experience. Auto Resume Prints. Kobra 3 Combo AE version picks up printing from where it stopped after power or filament shortages, ensuring a seamless printing experience. Adjust belts conveniently. You can quickly adjust the belt to the right tension by conveniently rotating the belt tensioner. Equipped with a built-in silence sensor on the 32-bit MCU, the Kobra 3 Combo AE version can bring down the noise level in silent mode, so you can get some shut-eye while it prints. PPS. Enjoy the full Anycubic experience. Make brilliance a reality on our new Maker Online community. Manage your printing with ease via our upgraded app and customer support. Key SR. Total control from anywhere Anycubic app and slice. Perfect multicolor printing, smart connectivity, slicing, and coloring. All just one click away on the Anycubic Slicer and the brand new Anycubic app. Real-time print monitoring. Continuous and up-to-date tracking of the printing process at all times. LAN mode. Control the printer via the Anycubic Slicer within your local network. Free from network delays and user privacy issues. Explore endless print fun. Immersive yourself to print embossed photos, transforming flat images into lifelike 3D ones. More printing fun coming your way. Unleash the ultimate printing experience with Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. More than fun, Maker Online creativity community. It's fun. Explore popular models from around the world. Search around and let your creative inspiration flow. It's useful. Share your creative works and connect with experts worldwide. Take a stroll and discover the joy of 3D printing. It's surprising. Receive exclusive blind boxes from the M7 series. Participate in community competitions. Compare and compete to win high creative awards and community-exclusive points. 1. What kind of filament does Kobra 3 support? The Kobra 3 supports PLA, PETG, and TPU. TPU is only suitable for single-color printing and is not suitable for printing with ACE Pro. The ACE Pro supports PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, PET, PA, PC, PP, HIPS. The Kobra 3 supports most 1 kg filaments with the following specifications. Outer diameter ranging from 195 to 200 millimeters. Spool thickness between 60 to 68 millimeters. And outer wall thickness of 3 to 3.5 millimeters. Also, don't forget to check whether the printing temperature of the consumables is within the temperature range supported by the printhead of our machine. 2. What kind of slicer is compatible with Kobra 3 Combo? Does the Anycubic slicer support open source? Is Kobra 3 Combo compatible with Prusa slicer, Orca slicer, or other slicer? The new version of Anycubic slicer is now compatible with the Kobra 3 Combo printer. You can download it from the Anycubic official website or by clicking the following link. Anycubic slicer is now open source. We support Cura, Orca slicer, or other third-party slicing software for multicolor slicing, but highly recommend using Anycubic slicing software for a better multicolor printing experience. After switching to Orca, it can be supported. What type of nozzle does the Kobra 3 use? Our standard nozzle diameter is 0.4 millimeters, and it is made of brass. The nozzle diameters of Kobra 3 also supports 0.2 millimeters, 0.6 millimeters, and 0.8 millimeters. How to install the camera to the Kobra 3? Please kindly check the installation guide here. What language does Kobra 3 support? The Kobra 3 supports English, Chinese, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Russian, and Japanese.